Welcome to Adventures and Pop-Ups. Our camper is finally fixed.
Hey, Adventures and Pop-Ups fans. We got the camper up. Good news. And other good news, I saved a few things out of our demolished camper. If you missed that saga, click the video and you can see what happened to our old camper that we turned into a log camper on wheels. It was demolished by a tree. Thank you for insurance. Anyhow, we saved a few things, including the fireplace curtain. Yay. And our new camper has a rack with no curtain. So, Lord willing, this is going to go seamless.
How's that look?
Looks great. How's it fit? It fits good, huh?
Oh, yeah. Like it was made for it.
Like a glove.
Whew, that was a sad thing, losing that log cabin on wheels, but this is a part of it right here.
Yep.
Man.
Memento.
And we got the wraparound dinette and LEDs and a backup camera. Everything we ever dreamt of, God delivered it into our hands, plus a couple thousand. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Come on, somebody say thank you, Jesus. Put that in the comments. Thank you, Jesus. He's just too good to us, isn't he? So yeah, we fixed the battery. We got the fireplace up, ready for a good cleaning. Pack it up and pick a spot. Where are we going, honey? Where are we going?
I don't know.
You're a happy camper. I'm a happy camper. Hopefully we got 4 young happy campers. I know the dog's a happy camper. So we'll have to find someone to take care of the chickens.
All right, so quick unboxing. I just want to show you what we were able to salvage out of our camper that got destroyed. Here we go. These are not just the sheets. These are the slip covers that I had made. I don't think they're going to fit, but we're going to give it a shot. If they don't fit, I might re-sew the top sheet that I never used. So we might still use some of it. Here's our slip covers. If you love this, we do have videos on all of this.
Just a sheet set.
It's just a sheet set that I sewed into a slip cover. These are special. These are our starry murals that we like to hang over the bunk ends. And these, fun fact,
sleeping under the stars.
Sleeping under the stars. And these were in our first camper. They were in our second camper. Yes, we're on our third camper. The first time we outgrew it and got a bigger one. The second time tragedy struck. Here we are. Anyhow, so that'll be a nice thing to carry along the tradition. This I don't know if we can reuse, but I saved it. This is our curtains from our remodel.
Blackout curtains.
This was under one of them. Yeah, blackout curtains for the bunk ends.
With a landscape.
And then here's one.
Mountainy landscape.
I love these. You might notice I love these photo curtains. What can I say? So, either I can reuse them or I don't know. I still like them. Maybe I guess I could sell them if we can't reuse them, but kind of want to hang on to it. And here's another one. Okay, and then this huge one is the one that was on our bunk end, and we chose to have one huge one because it has the bathroom. Oops. It has a bathroom blocking it, so you don't really need, it seems pointless to have a second curtain behind the bathroom wall. And yes, I did. I don't know if I'm going to reuse them, but yes, I did save these curtains. And yes, there's videos to all of this. I don't know that they're going to fit. This is a completely different camper, but I did save these for now. Maybe we could sell them to somebody if we want, if somebody's got a similar camper. Maybe it's popping. Okay, so that's the stuff we were able to salvage. I'll keep you posted on whether or not we can actually reuse it, but number one is a big yes.
Yay.
Yay. Love it.
Log cabin on wheels.
All right, thanks for watching Adventures and Pop-Ups. Happy camping, everybody.
Camping.